Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing and reviewing the Dell KM3322W wireless USB keyboard and mouse combo. If you are on the hunt for an affordable wireless solution, keep watching. The box features a sleek design with the Dell branding prominently displayed. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to handle. The product image on the front gives you a good idea of what to expect inside, and there are some key features highlighted on the sides like the long battery life and ergonomic design. Now let's talk about pricing. The MRP on the box states $3,499, which is typical for a quality wireless keyboard and mouse combo. However, you can grab this set on Amazon for just $1,199, making it an incredible deal for anyone looking for a reliable wireless solution. Now let's get right into the unboxing. Here is a first look of the components inside. It's all neatly wrapped in plastic. First up, we have the Dell KM3322W keyboard. Next, we have some user guides and warranty information booklet. Next, we have the wireless mouse. We have the USB receiver, and then finally the batteries. Let's quickly get rid of all the plastics. The receiver is a compact Type A that connects to your computer or laptop. We have a AA battery, two AAA batteries. Then finally the mouse. So the key features include a 1000 dpi sensor, a nice scroll wheel, ergonomic designs, 6 buttons, and the battery life. It boasts about 18 months depending on the usage. Let's put the battery into the mouse. You can see the positive negative terminals clearly marked. Inserting the AA battery, ensuring the correct orientation, and close it up. Now let's check out the keyboard. It includes a numeric keypad which is great for data entry. The keys are responsive. It's all chiclet style keys that provide a comfortable typing experience. And there are some dedicated multimedia keys, and it says spill resistant design. And also we have tilt legs. So these adjustable tilt legs allow you to elevate the back of the keyboard, providing a more comfortable typing angle and reducing wrist strain. So let's insert the batteries into the keyboard and power it up. Just like the mouse, the battery compartment is easy to access. Insert the two AAA batteries, ensuring they're positioned correctly, and close it up. Now that we have everything set up, let's connect the USB receiver to the computer. And it should automatically recognize the keyboard and mouse. It's that simple. The keys feel responsive and quiet, perfect for a distraction-free environment. And the mouse tracks smoothly, making navigation easy. Overall, the Dell keyboard is an excellent value for anyone in need of a wireless keyboard and mouse combo. Its thoughtful design, including features like spill-resistant, anti-fade keys, and adjustable tilt legs, enhance comfort and usability. The long battery life, 36 months for the keyboard and 18 months for the mouse, ensure that you won't be constantly replacing batteries, allowing you to focus on your work without interruptions. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.